I said, oh, Casagrana. Me can't say president in the answer. No.
Okay.
But say even a young people I say so to me catch on say but because Akufo-Addo or yeah can't say press freedom you put the buyer. Or could see that culture of silence and will get the time now. Yes, could be prepared all that. He wanted a voice to speak.
Okay.
Until right now, no, I say the contract. Wow, you must say wow, what champion here there no. So say no be hit to kakana. Now we go for a good channel. No matter.
That's all contradicting one.
I don't really get it.
Obibia akwaba eba too much ejumedie na ina ebekaya ye semseme fa Captain Smart ho eni na yidie mu a obekasa edifa ho no ne asem aba bepeme kuno so no ye papa ye general manager ewo Angel FM Accra Kojo Dixon aba bekasa afa asem hu na ni nsem obekaya ni say don't follow your emotions or kasa edi ama Captain Smart and now for anyone the followers anyone now what can we say and more follow or motions and management no ekaseti free said would see papa Dr. Koku Otini kasa yemwa or chese abra or mami and as abra na wo 40 no one answer say one bra emedidi empanyimfo atem ento so nya de obema the work bia opportunity ni say onjina so enome de omedidi na tem ewo radio station besides no one fa omo say wo mbra emame de emedidi enkrofo atem ye ejina so enti na ama otimi ye de Emma, papa Captain Smart suspension. Remember, followers, listeners, any Captain Smart go and now for 4 not so find the FLD management no I there at I don't want to the crow and ejina me so me pense and some women to know me nim yankasa me boss so no I friend of Mr. Ben Bruce ba be chi enkomo na ye mu say na what kire mu say ye ne paso say obi edi na juma na wa for one about suspension ye ne paso say wo say Ghana for ejijine na ye too personal to the extent say wo mo ebe book company no enimtia ana adofo ka be when na ye ma Mr. Bruce apaba
yeah I am there.
Mr. Bruce will be able to.
I do.
Why
it does.
Mr. Bruce, now and send me a Captain Smart one, and my Ghana, we have fun the World Cup, but say, ye share radio station no other fine, and no pass no.
I'm here for
one job.
I say a normal company. Can news, but my way. Media near the fourth realm of the Constitution.
Okay.
We president, where you vice, where you speaker, chief justice. I think the next in line is the media. Inti, I'm saying you say obi ye juma radio so. Not because of Casantino, yet me I catch and say own visa for suspension. Now me can me one say suspension no. O ma me one man. That's how I met here. Me pass how I make. The Ghana for no omo kamodika because say your man media no deeper we are in trouble. Let's just say the body crowd cost of Ghana drinker. James are not na say ordinary ice cream factory beer. But the fact is, and yet the ruling government and they had to say omo esha say no fuele. Na Captain Smart also or yet that figure will building some calls be around him. Now our media need me a friend media house say suspend your way no. It's a bit worried. You na say it me who say near bell. It is some dika.
Yo, me pacho so omo dika obi the company o. Number 4 as a worker. Now why you bibi enti mama suspension no eside na Ghana for edika omo mo fa nipa no adwuma ana
Ghana ewo ye pedi for can bibi ye se won kwa na wo ba but who akola ni bia obi entimi na
okay
ya me pa chere say fine a ordinary company Any problem. What I say? But baby ofi banning media space nagasano. They say na baby they say no. I say oh kasagrana. Me can't say president in the no.
Okay.
But say even a young people no say so to me catch on say because Akufo-Addo or yeah can't say press freedom you put the buyer. Or could see that culture of silence and what did the time no. Yes, could be prepared all that. He wanted a voice to speak. Okay. Until right now, no, I say the contract. Wow, you will say wow, what champion here there no. The same will be here to Kakana. Now we go for a good channel. No matter.
That's all contradicting one.
I don't really get it, but I mean, sure say the Akufo-Addo that me I know will do that. Yeah, you know, say maybe or more fuel. I don't know.
Okay, because na do na so no ka say abanya etisui na che say amma sanema wenida esisi episode do na no Captain Smart say on say asa ye my Ghana has me bibia no ye yellow politics ana
I know they made me because Captain Smart o hwe kra na ne papa ne Kufo ya bibi.
Okay.
Why I say ne papa ne even Odin the 2 days to time I suspended no before crack congratulating no me sure say wow say bibi nya enye it doesn't matter who nya or ya ade no
okay
ade enye
okay
what I say MPP NDCO and say it me establishing bibi say ade nya we should all speak against it but they say you tag so we not kind to a way no yes I hear bomb mine no. And the Americans say, and say it me will say, this is not good for the interest of Ghana. No, yeah, my dear will also.
Okay.
Me see, you know, I was disappointed. Say, if we top on the buyer there, then your problem in Ghana. Say, obi because I also say language no more. One kasa, I won't find evidence and up to now, obi ain't been find evidence behind.
Okay.
So where from suspension?
Say bobu kan say Dr. Reporting say Captain Smart wakasa de tia ya mampani na fe so no wasaka say etia sorry Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and wasaka say the Trade and Industry Minister Alan Cash any Inspector General of Police IGP James Opon Buonu wakasa siasa enkofuwe ena ono so ehye say abra o ma me rezi no wantete no say ombra mbe din kokwa atem wo kasa komo anase in any other kwan biato ente no so na ama wa de wa ma Captain Smart suspension say the be ya so some friend man back to after the 1 month now obi mu changes bi ewo ni eyi obi mu sesai bi wo na no kasa yimu eno ti na man gina so awodi eyi na di
mama di angel TV said then me do mo ya yes media media yes radio cameraman or media your last rule is take the last shot before you die.
Really?
Yes. Media. Media. Most radio media.
Okay.
This thing I see, I mean, I say, feed multitude in the city. Because there's no way a question to me, minimum, or maybe to me a phone, our friend said, suspend your way. It will happen. It will never happen. So, just suspended on that umbrella, or make a summer government done as I say. No, suspended no. Say on camera, no. So make a So what I say, you see, what is happening now is no good. We need to speak against it. And me disappointed in programs manager no work. Yes.
Okay.
No, because for other people among Captain Smart that supports no. No, I say labor just to please his boss.
Okay.
It's nonsense. Yes. And nonsense say radio TV station will be better for now. I don't know be a man, but BBC are home here. Ghana revenue from iti papa no ojata sana na me ka say Ghana enye call na free Jubilee House.
Okay.
If Ghana Revenue Authority, GRA, friend said, was suspended, Ghana they will be on him. So what is the man hiding?
Okay.
Ghana Revenue, everything you have said, was suspended Captain Smart. Obi I will told so much from Multi TV. And they been now hide Ojata sana. And no necessary, ye TV interrogating a film. Papa ni Ojata sana. Ojata sana. And then Ghana Revenue, it's be friend. I want to assemble the wall. I want to assemble the wall.
Okay.
Now, yes, suspension.
Okay.
What authority in the Ghana Revenue want to call a company and they're paying well no one history man no one.
Okay.
So that is what we need to know. As for the suspension there, Papa Negra also maybe
also maybe.
And that's what it's a TV station.
I see. It's just a Ghana force say.
Because yeah, deal with now. Now it's me holding. Say what me silence you we are doomed.
Okay.
Ghana is doomed because say yes you kasa no onim say the chia. Enti yeah betimi akasa no ye kan ya no tuma. Ye wie Ghana.
Okay.
1981. I'm saying hey. Rollins by you dare not talk. Inti Emma the freedom money ye nyama bebre ni po kunkum obi agbadi lo obi meanwhile under the government I mean the same thing. Inti sa culture of silence no more mind.
Okay.
And more mind. That is what we are practicing and that is what we need to see. Say a person. And you said then obi akasi ni akoche or channel obi akasi. No, we have to stop it. We say speak again. Maybe there's a fix with regard to environment because we are in COVID time, so we said in your mind, but the silence must stop.
Okay, yo. Ya breno aye be na efutuo ben e na wo e de ema adofo anase won so se Ghana ansa ye wono obi so timi she da to data na wa follow wa di wa tempa abraba ontie asem ni mu e ya na se emu no kra efutuo ben e na wo e de ma eni kojo dixin e so ankasa o de ni semi ababetuja
kojo dixin there me grow yeah aye there not. But the fact is, Kawadin and Yobia, penny the penny. Ebia unya Ekufuado family man query, unya Mahama query, Tikawadin and Yobia. But as say standing up against culture of silence, we have to speak. At the end and yet, as a character and one.
Okay, yo, Medan Sibebre, Mr. Ben Bruce. I wakasa ye pa wakasa ye na mse wa wo hye me susuru wafa emu aba na otu na mo a ebe boa wo ye ewo wabrabo mu na obese wo hye wa didifa ensem mi bisa se ye papa kodo Dixon ye ne kwan so se wo se obeka ensem yi odi etu eja ana na ne sa nti meso se ko ye YouTube channel na ko subscribe I forgot so much GH chemba J or comment section over fair. If I'm now for hopefully on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and I'm going to me about Kunoson meeting at the FIA instrument to do baby or strain, and it's a name saying in Shamaka or Bibia.